Molweni bafundi, ninjani namhlanje? Hello students or learners, how are you today? Welcome to lesson 4 in Xhosa. Let's get started. Ngubani igama lakho? Igama lam nguSarah. Wena ungubani? Igama lam nguKhaya. Ndivuya ukukhwazi Khaya. Nam ndivuya ukukhwazi Sarah. Usukaphi? Ndisuka phesheya eSwitzerland. Wena usukaphi? Ndisuka eMpuma Koloni ngaseCoffee Bay. Kodwa ngoku ndihlala eKapa. Utshatile na? Unabo abantwana? Ewe nditshatile, kodwa andikabi nabantwana. Ngubani igama lakho? What is your name? Igama lam nguSarah. My name is Sarah. Wena ungubani? And you, who are you? Igama lam nguKhaya. My name is Khaya. Ndivuya ukukhwazi Khaya. Pleased to meet you, Khaya. Nam ndivuya ukukhwazi Sarah. Me too, I am pleased to meet you, Sarah. Usukaphi? Where are you from? Ndisuka phesheya. I am from Switzerland, from overseas. Wena usukaphi? You, where are you from? Ndisuka eMpuma Koloni. I am from the Eastern Cape, ngaseCoffee Bay, near Coffee Bay. Kodwa ngoku ndihlala eKapa. But now I live in Cape Town. Utshatile na? Are you married? Unabo abantwana? Do you have children? Ewe nditshatile, kodwa andikabi nabantwana. Yes, I am married, but I don't yet have children. The vocabulary for this lesson, ukuvuya, is to rejoice or to be glad, to be happy. Ukusuka, suka means to come from. It literally means to go away from, and that's how you say, where did you come from? Where did you originate from? Ukuhlala is to sit or to live or to stay. Notice the HL, hl sound. Igama is a name or a word. Bani means who. Pesheya is overseas. Jadile is married. Impuma Koloni is the Eastern Cape. Puma means to go out or to exit, so the east is where the sun goes out first. Puma. Ka in a negative sentence means not yet. Like in this last sentence, Andi kabi nabantwana. I am not yet with children. A few explanations to the conversation. The sentence ngubani igama lakho means what is your name, and literally we have it is who, ngubani, igama lakho, the name of you. So igama la, it's part of the noun class that has this l sound. So we have the name of yours, igama lakho. Igama lam ngu Sarah. My name, it is Sarah. And because people start with an u, we have this ngu Sarah or ngu John. Good. The grammar section for today, we're going to look at nouns a bit more closely, and then we're going to look at the future tense, which is quite easy in Xhosa, and how to say let's do something. This is just an introduction to how nouns are formed in Xhosa. It's not necessary to learn any of this off by heart. It's really just to get a glimpse into how words and especially nouns can be formed in this language. Umtu means person, and we have the root here, ntu, which is the person, and umtu, a person or the person, abantu, the people. So this aba is the plural marker for people. Most people start with They'll always have this prefix, and then aba is the plural of that in most cases. Sometimes we have o instead. So for instance, we have umntwana, abantwana, child, children, ubuti, ababuti, brother and brothers, utata, otata, father and fathers, umama, omama, mother and mothers. Now, if we look at the verb funda, to study or to learn, and we can then see how the nouns learner and learners are formed. Fundi, so we have the personal prefix like with tu, and we have abafundi in the plural. This is a learner or a student and students. Sebenza, to work. Sebenzi, a worker. Abasebenzi, workers. Ukucula is to sing. Umculi, a singer. Abaculi, singers. And then we can also form things, not just people, from verbs. So we have the verb neda. Ukuneda is to help. And then unnedo is the help, the noun help. And funda, isifundo is the lesson, the thing that is learnt. Ukuhamba, to go. Uhambo, the trip, the voyage. Ukusela, to drink something that is cold. Ukusela, isiselo, the drink. We also have umsebenzi. It doesn't just mean a worker, but also the work or the job, and imisebenzi, the jobs. How to form the future tense? We quite simply add the infix zo between the personal pronoun and the verb. So for instance, with teta, speak, we have ndizoteta, I will speak. Bona, see. Uzobona, you will see. Za is to come, ukuza. Sizoza, we will come. Now the stress is on the zo because za is only one syllable. Sizoza. Uzobuya nini, you will come back when? When will you come back? And then to be able to say, let's do something, we simply start with masi, let us, and then you end the verb in e instead of a. This is the subjunctive mood. It's like the special mood when you say something in a different way, not just the standard verb ending. For instance, we go would be sihamba, siyahamba, and then let's go is masihambe. Masiye, let us go to work, emsebenzini. So this is again ya. Ukuya is to go somewhere, and ukuhamba is just to go. Masiye emsebenzini, let's go to work. Masifunde isiXhosa, let's learn Xhosa. How would we say, let's talk? Teta, so masitete. Next conversation. Molo John, uphila njani? Molo Peter, akukho nto enkosi. Wena unjani? Nam ndiphilile. Wenza ntoni namhlanje? Ndithethe noChris noSarah baya kwi-movie ngokuhlwa. Nam ndifuna ukubukela imovie. Ufuna ukuza nawe? Ndiyabulela. Ndingabuza, imovie izoqala nini? Andiyazi. Mhlawumbi ngo-7:30. Kulungile. Ndizozama ukuza emva komsebenzi. Ndiyaqonda. Molo John, uphila njani? Hi John, how's your health? How are you? Molo Peter, akukho nto enkosi. Hi Peter, everything's fine, thank you. Akukho nto literally means there is nothing, there's nothing to complain about. Wena unjani? You, how are you? Nam ndiphilile. Me too, I am fine. Notice again, philile, the past tense of ukuphila, to be alive, to be well. So this is exactly the same as saying ndiyaphila, ndiphilile. Wenza ntoni namhlanje? What are you doing today? You are doing what today? Ndithethe no Chris no Sarah. I spoke with Chris, with Sarah, or with Chris and Sarah. Baya kwi movie. They go to the movies, kwi movie, ngokuhlwa, in the evening. Nam ndifuna ukubukela movie. Me too, I want to watch a movie. Ufuna ukuza nawe? Do you want to come? Also you? Do you also want to come? Ndiyabulela. Thank you. Ndingabuza. I can ask. Movie izoqala nini? The movie, it will start when? This is E from movie. It will start when? Andiyazi. Andiyazi means I don't know. Literally, I don't know it because of this y. You can also say andazi, I don't know, without the E and Y here. Andazi or andiyazi, I don't know it. Mhlawumbi, maybe, ngo 7:30, at 7:30. Kulungile. All right. Ndizozama, I will try. Ndizozama. Ukuza, to come. Emva kwa means after. Emva komsebenzi, after work. Ndiyaqonda, I understand. So to go over the vocab once more, buza is to ask. Ukubuza. Qala is to start, to begin. Azi is to know. We've seen this verb before in ukwazi. Ukwazi is to know it, so to know how to do something. And azi is the root there, which is to know. And here we had andiyazi. I don't know it. It's a special verb because it already ends in the E, in the positive and in the negative. Ukuzama is to try. Ukuqonda, to understand. Ukuza is to come. Maybe you can remember this with come to South Africa. Ukuza eMzansi. ZA is come, za. Ukubukela is to watch TV or watch a movie. Ngokuhlwa, in the evening. And then emva kwa means after. The reason we say emva komsebenzi is because umsebenzi starts with an U, and we have the same sound change as we had with na. We have with kwa, when it's a and u, it becomes o. Komsebenzi. In the end, you can again match the sentences on the left and the right. I'm going to just read the Xhosa sentences. Abantwana baqale ukuthetha. Masihambe ngoku. Batya ekitshini. Ngubani igama lakho? Abantwana bam bahlala eGoli. Usebenza nini? Nam ndifuna ukuza. Sizoqala emva komsebenzi. Basuka eBotswana. Uya nini emsebenzini? Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next lesson and some practice videos.